Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to another day of the 5 days of Look Fantastic Christmas. Welcome to my series. If you are returning here, I want to say hello and a special welcome to you, and if you are a new subscriber, I would like to encourage you to hit that notification bell. Well, hit the subscribe button, then hit that notification bell. That way you'll know my next videos when they're coming out. Today we are in continuation of our Look Fantastic Christmas, and we're going to get started right away. So here we go. We see number 6 is right over here, and we're going to open that right up. I had to do a little adjustment there. Y'all seem so far away. I think my computer moved while I was moving things around a while ago. But inside here we have some profusion, and this looks to be like some eyeshadow, maybe some liquid eyeshadow, and it's in a bronzy festive color. Isn't that nice? Let me look. Oh, this might be a glitter, like a powder that you could put on if you want a little extra glow. So that might be what this is, and it's written so small I don't know that we can see what it is, but it looks very pretty. That much I can tell you. Now, I don't have a product sheet with this one. It says it's a sparkling eye. But let's go on to day number 7. Number 7, we have, ooh, this is nice. Anybody into a little bit of blush and highlight? Well, that's what we have here. Now, aren't those some pretty colors? I like both of those. You got your blush and your highlight. Very nice. That is a beautiful color of blush, and that highlight is perfect. Oh yeah, that's very pretty, very nice. Like that. Now we're going on to day 8, moving right along, and it's the same size. So what do you think? Oh, it's more. It's more. Now we have a highlight and a bronzing duo. We're going to be set with all kinds of looks here. Look at that. Oh, I love that highlighter. So pretty. The bronzer's a nice color too. Very nice. All of those colors are really great. Now we're going on to day number 9. And y'all are probably wondering, why am I doing this? If you're new, if you didn't see my first video, I won this from Arlene's channel, but her sister, Melissa's the one that was doing the giveaway as far as being part of her 500 subscriber. And I have me this nice brush, and it's very soft, very pretty. It looks like it's a little purple, and it ombres out. Very, very nice. It just says profusion on there. I thought maybe it might say what kind of brush it was. Looks like an eyeshadow brush or a blender. And now we're on to day 10. Let's find out what the profusion has for day number 10. And get this door open. Oh my goodness. This is very nice. Who doesn't like a palette full of neutral colors? Let me see if I can get this open. Wow. It tells you the colors on this little slip, but look at those colors. Aren't they gorgeous? Oh my goodness. We've got some mattes and we got some shimmers. And that is just gorgeous. Love, love, love that. Ooh, that was day 10. So that was our 5 products out of the profusion today. And we're going to move right along. That was out of the profusion 25 days to slay. Now we're heading on to the Look Fantastic. And I will give y'all a little peek at the box again. This was the exterior of our box. And then on the inside, it's quite heavy, and we've already opened up a few days, and we're going to do 6 through 10 today. And we also have a product book. So it'll tell us a little bit about our products. So let's go on to day number 6. Day number 6 is right over here. We'll pull that out. It looks just like this, and we can see a little bit of it. Looks very nice. And we have some Paradox, and this is Repair 3-in-1 Conditioner Hair Mask. All right, this is a great product. We are Paradox, it says, 3-in-1 hair repair. The only product you need for silky glossy hair this Christmas. We Are Paradox is the plastic-free hair care brand that champions its native Irish ingredients, will leave your hair instantly softer, smoother, and shinier. The 3-in-1 Hero acts as a deep conditioner, hair mask for ultimate repair and finishing cream, and for de-fluffing your styled hair. Being cruelty-free, vegan, and 99% natural, it is definitely true that good things come in threes. So, I was going to say in small packages. But it's a pretty good size. It's about a 1.6.9 fluid ounces. And I've heard this is very good. I've gotten it before in other boxes, but I don't think I've used it yet. So that was our day number 6. Now we're going to be heading on to day number 7. Day number 7 is up here, and it's in this little box. And on day number 7, we have us Turn the Page, and this is a very good product brand. This is Terry by Terry. And I have received some of Terry's products, and they're very good. And this here is a hyaluronic hydra pressed powder. So this is going to be very nice. It does have like a little cover, and it also has like a little by Terry pad so that we can apply it. And then that is our pressed powder, and it's a hyaluronic pressed powder, so that's very impressive. So I'm going to hold this up and keep the cover on there. It's time for a midweek pick-me-up. We're bringing you a Look Fantastic favorite cosmetic brand for an inclusive for all hyaluronic pressed powder. The award-winning luxury French beauty brand champions premium skincare, infused makeup, and the innovative translucent powder is no exception. This multi-benefit powder can be used to set makeup, creating a soft focused finish on the skin to blur the appearance of imperfection. It's also perfect size for throwing into your clutch bag. And that is so true, and this came at a perfect time because I just ran out of my Estee Lauder loose powder, so maybe I'll try this by Terry powder. Let's go on to day number 8. Day number 8 is right here. Almost if it would have been a snake, it would have bit me. And inside here, we have 2 products. Woohoo! Very nice. We have Revolution products. We have the Satin Kiss Lipstick Ruby, and we have the Pout Balm Gloss Glaze. So is this sealed? I believe it is. Oh, look at it. It's got a little pair of lips up there, and it is sealed. And it is red. Oh dear, me. Do I open it up? If I undo the seal, I may not be able to give it away, and I think they're both sealed. This is the Pout Balm, and let's read all about it. These are Revolution products, and cast your lips to the kiss of satin this festive season with Revolution's rich and creamy velvet finish lipstick formula that comes in 12 gorgeous shades to suit any mood, from nudes to bright pops of color. And in the Revolution Pout Balm is a plumping glaze, and it's clear. Plump up your pout with this Revolution Ultimate High Shine Lip Gloss infused with vitamin E for added nourishment. This glow will load your lips with a rich glossy pigment. Well, that sounds wonderful. Both of those products sound really great. So this is turning out to be a great day of 5. That was day number 8, and now we've got to go on to 9. And let's see what they have for us in box number 9. In box number 9, we have 1 item, and inside here we have Aroma Active. I read that on there, and that is the brand. It's a soothing universal repair cream light. Treat your skin to an intensive moisture boost with this Aroma Active soothing universal repair cream light. The cream's formula helps to deeply hydrate dry, irritated skin whilst working to calm sensitive skin with the ingredients to help support the skin barrier. So that is what this is, and that sounds very nice. And it is in this tube, and it is a brightening product, and it is a cream for dry skin, it sounds like. So very nice. And then now we're on to day number 10. Day number 10 is right here, and we have us a Rodelle Vitamin C. Wow. Now I love vitamin C products. So this will be great. Let's read all about it. Enjoy a relaxing Saturday night for the ultimate glow. And this, of course, was for day 10. So if we were doing December 10th, I guess it'd be on the Saturday. Treat for the luxury pamper or before your makeup routine to get the ultimate glowy base, promoting a vibrant and energized look. The Rodale Vitamin C Mask will revitalize lackluster complexions while protecting with pomegranate extracts, anti-aging antioxidants. Give yourself a different kind of cocktail, vitamin C cocktail. And guys, we know that I'm doing this way past and out of order, because if this comes out on Wednesday or Thursday of this week, we're looking into getting really, really close to Christmas. And we're doing our 5 days of Look Fantastic Christmas. So that is our door number 10. So we have gone through 5 more products, 5 more days of Look Fantastic. And now it's time for the giveaway portion. Okay guys, in this giveaway you must be 18 years or older. You must have an address within the continental USA. You must be publicly subscribed, and this is a little glitch or a little hitch. You must be publicly subscribed to Unboxing with Arlene, 700 Mile Mom, and Miss Jackie Russell. Why? Because the Profusion 25-day Advent Calendar was a gift that I won from Unboxing with Arlene's channel during her 500 subscriber giveaway and special giveaway from her sister Melissa. So you must be subscribed to all 3 of us in order to win. And what are you going to get in day number 2 of our 5 days of Look Fantastic Christmas? Well, in this giveaway, this is going to be a makeup giveaway. Oh yeah, you're going to get the highlighter and blush combination. You're going to get glittery glow for your eyes. You are going to receive the makeup brush, and you are going to receive the Extreme Dry Skin Cream out of my Look Fantastic, and also out of the Look Fantastic, I am going to share this lipstick. So you are going to have a highlighter, you're going to have a red lipstick, you are going to have a cream for your skin, you're going to have a eye pencil to blend in this here. How about that? And I will be throwing in a mask. So you will also receive a mask in this particular little package. What word do you have to use in this particular giveaway? Let's use the word lips, okay? Lips, L-I-P-S, for the keyword, and you will be entered into this giveaway. And also, the other rules that I might not have mentioned is YouTube and our Look Fantastic, Profusion Beauty Cosmetics, and or any of these brands that have been shown are not affiliated with this giveaway in any shape or form. Any allergic reactions that you could have are not my responsibility, and you do need to test an area if you're not sure if you have sensitive skin. And I am not responsible if the postman loses, damages. Once it leaves my hands, it is out of my control. I will do everything that I can to have it to you right away. And this giveaway ends on January 14th, and the winners will be announced on January 15, 2023. Can you believe it? Oh my goodness, we're into that already. There will be a playlist of this series of the 5 days of Look Fantastic Christmas, and I will have that, of course, in the description. Be sure and check my descriptions for any other giveaways or anything that may be going on currently. Right now, all that I know of that's going on currently is this giveaway. Yay! And it's going to last long enough for you to be able to join in and to share. Be sure and use the secret word, and we know what that is because I mentioned it a while ago, and you will be eligible to get these products along with a mask. So if you're into beauty, makeup with a little bit of cream for dry skin, then you'll want to enter. And that is all I have today. I want to thank you all for joining me. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Oh, and Merry Christmas. It's coming up soon. Bye-bye.